We are watching an explosion in artificial intelligence software, but the physical foundation of the internet, the actual servers routing all this data, remains securely locked down by a handful of massive corporations. As these AI systems evolve from simple chatbots into autonomous agents capable of doing their own research and executing tasks, they run into a hard wall. They are entirely cut off from the global financial system. This diagram maps exactly why the current architecture fails. An autonomous AI cannot walk into a bank branch to open a checking account. It cannot legally sign a corporate contract to rent more cloud computing space. It hits a structural dead end because legacy financial networks require a human identity to authorize a transaction. But while most people are focused on the software side of AI, a parallel infrastructure has quietly come online. It is called the machine economy, and it is already processing billions of dollars in annual revenue. This alternative layer provides a functional economic system where machines can pay other machines directly for the services they need, bypassing traditional banks and human gatekeepers entirely. The foundation is DePIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Instead of one massive company-owned data center, physical hardware is broken apart and distributed across thousands of independent operators. To build this network, anyone who plugs in hardware and contributes resources is automatically paid in cryptocurrency. This crowdsourced model is operating at scale right now. Networks like Helium are paying individuals to broadcast wireless internet coverage from their homes, while systems like Dymo pay drivers to collect and share data straight from their vehicle sensors. The exact same logic applies to digital infrastructure. Have extra hard drive capacity? Plug into Filecoin for decentralized storage. Got high-end graphics cards? Rent compute on Akash and render. These projects have left the experimental phase behind. They are handling the heavy, commercial-grade workloads that traditional providers used to monopolize, generating massive, verifiable revenue across the globe. DePIN proves that you can build and operate a highly complex hardware network owned entirely by the people who maintain it, neutralizing the high fees extracted by corporate intermediaries. With this decentralized hardware firmly in place, the market opens up to a new kind of customer, the autonomous AI agent. Engineers are integrating cryptocurrency wallets into AI's core code. When an agent needs massive computing power, it instantly broadcasts a request across a decentralized network. It accepts smart contract terms, sends payment immediately, and the server fires the results right back. This is a fully enclosed economic loop. An AI identified a need, negotiated a price, paid for a service, and received the product, with zero human intervention at any step of the process. When you combine the specific resource needs of artificial intelligence with the distributed scale of DePIN, you get a parallel infrastructure track that actively competes with Silicon Valley for compute, data, and labor. But building this parallel system comes with severe friction. Tax authorities are actively struggling to classify direct payouts to thousands of independent hardware operators scattered across dozens of different jurisdictions. Then there is the issue of accountability. If an autonomous machine with its own digital wallet executes a faulty contract, causes a network outage, or buys restricted data, the current legal system has no clear answer for who is actually liable. The cryptography and the physical hardware are fully operational right now. The barrier to mainstream adoption is a global regulatory structure built exclusively to govern human beings. Despite these hurdles, the cost savings are too significant for the market to ignore. By 2028, major traditional enterprises will begin moving specific data-heavy workloads onto DePIN networks simply because the economics demand it. By 2030, autonomous AI agents will shed their experimental status. They will become routine participants in the global market, independently managing a massive volume of digital procurement. Global value exchange is migrating into an autonomous machine-to-machine network, utilizing a financial architecture designed specifically for it.